Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Zach back with another video. Okay, so today I'll be trying to do something different, something unique. So I will be going through some funny Reddit posts, sort of like PewDiePie's Luai. So guys, let's jump right in. Oh, so here's a chef cooking. Oh, looks at shrimp looking tasty. I bet he's gonna sneak one. Oh no, he's being watched. Oh, so he turns to face away, but will he succeed? No, he didn't. Okay, so he pretends to go somewhere else just to try again. Oh man, he's out of luck. Throws it away. So he's come outside to throw the garbage. What? He's going to eat from the bag. Now that is just gross. I would totally have the same look on my face as them. Can't believe this. The lengths he goes to just eat one shrimp. Oh, so this family is at the zoo feeding the giraffe. Oh my god, he's in the air. Somebody help him. Let go, Timmy. You're not supposed to hold on to the celery. Poor Timmy. He just got confused. He just didn't want to lose his celery, did he? I just want to sanitize my hands. What's it doing? Grandpa, that is not a hand sanitizer. That's a fire extinguisher. Can't believe he did that. Oh my god, like how do you confuse a fire extinguisher for a hand sanitizer? And it's so funny how he just stood there, like he did nothing wrong. Never underestimate the Three Stooges. Whoa, the kid just fell out. Oh my god, driver just pulled him up. But he isn't even a bit concerned. So here's the culprit, the second stooge. What's it doing? Oh my god, there's also a third one. Wow, the kid just took off. Oh my god, such troublesome kids. Literally a menace to society. They must make their mother really anxious. Russians tasing themselves. Wow. Oh, typical Russians. Not really sober, are they? Playing crazy games. Oh my god, he's gonna taste it. Wow, he really did that. Again. Stop. Oh my god, he's really enjoying himself. So now it's the second guy who takes turns. This can't be good. Oh my, wow, the way he just slid off his chair. And that they're all laughing at it just blows my mind. Family sleeping. So dad is flipping his blanket. Oh no, the kid. He tossed him out. Wow, the kid just kept rolling. He really thought that was the dog. Oh, that's the dog. It snuck its head out. Like it knew not to sleep on that side. A paint sprayer. This can't be good. Wow, he really let them spray that to his face. Oh my god. No, this is so funny. Wow, that reminds me of the Joker from Batman. But that is not healthy. The end of my work days in 2020. So she just finished working. And now it's playtime. What a nice doggy. Always keeps her work-life balance in check. Whoa. He's really ripping his shirt by just flexing on his muscles. That's impressive. Even his muscles have muscles. Wait, what's this guy doing here? What? He just blew apart his shirt. Oh my god, really? That must have taken a lot of McDonald's training. Wow. Oh my god, that cat swing is everything. Oh look, it's standing. I swear to god, this cat is evolving. This cat really loves water. But they usually hate it, don't they? Uh-oh, it's struggling. Oh, it fell. Lost his balance cause it drank too much. Oh, finger pistol. So this is how they train their military. Oh, it missed twice. This is so much fun. But bro, seriously, I wouldn't want this to defend me from the enemy. What is it doing? Waving like that. Does that make you go faster? Everyone around her is like surprised and thinking, what is this awkward technique? Look at that. Clearly she won. Now she is the Happy Gilmore of sailors. So Grandma's trying her hand at ping pong. Wow, she's really good at it. Oh my god, Grandma's crashed. Went down with all the crockery. Okay, but that was the fault of the grandson. He hit that ball too far. So now he's gonna be off a wheel. Inheritance, bye bye. Oh, so they rescued this kitty. No! It just fell back into the hole again. It was almost there. Free to go. Talk about repeating your mistakes. Grandpa just letting people know how hard he hits the machine. No, you're supposed to punch the bag, not the machine. Clearly, his methods are beyond our understanding. Now hiring all shifts. Oh my god. He removed the F from shifts. This is funny. Wow. Hope an employee doesn't get in trouble over this. Hey, a vintage clip. Okay, he put his nice coat on the dirty ground for the lady. She could have just walked around that. Oh god, he did it again. Can't believe Sims existed way back then. So it's not a millennial thing only, I suppose. Oops, that was unexpected. He lost both his jacket and the lady. Why are they dressed like burglars? They're going to gym. Wow, is this guy for real? He's training to snatch a purse. So everyone's looking at him surprised. Oh, breaking locks with bowl cutter practice. And bicep curls with money bags. Wow. He's creeping up the stairs. What's this for? Oh, some push-ups for when the cops say, get down on your knees. So basically this gym is like their academy for heist training, where they all come to train. Some more handbag snatching practice. He's even counting it. Oh, not to forget, some handoff aerobics with money bags. Everyone's in disbelief. He just ran and stole this guy's weights. What a thief. And that's running from the law on the treadmill. Obviously, that was a prank. A wrestling match. Okay. Really? Rock, paper, scissors. That's it. Oh, he lost just like that. Wow. He didn't even try. This looks so staged. Reminds me of WWE. Alright, so this is actually real and this explains why. So if members of the same team end up going against each other, they usually decide who takes the fall rather than actually wrestling and tiring themselves out. Wow, that's smart.
Well, it certainly is chilly today.
Came out the window.
Oh yeah.
To say that.
Oh yeah.
Chili for sure.
So funny.
Chili for sure.
Where is this? I really like the accent, especially how they say, oh yeah. Let's go. He's rollerblading down the street. Oh, there's a cop car chasing him. He's running away from crime. Even has a mullet. He's living in the 80s. So he's being chased because he went rollerblading down the highway, which is illegal. But how? Is he faster than the cop's car? Oh, it's been raining heavy. It's flooded everywhere. Oh, he used an aluminum pan to cover his head. Like, is that safe to do in a thunderstorm? Oh my god, that's a huge bolt of lightning. What happened to him? Now, why would he do that? Now his battery must be fully charged. Oh, the car is coming fast. It's gonna splash water. Oh, he picked up a stone. The car just braked and is driving gently now. They even waved each other goodbye. Dude was just ready to break his window, even if a drop of water touched him. So this was trending a while ago, the bottle cap challenge. Oh god, that didn't go well. And why would you try that with your bare feet? Oh man, that must really hurt so bad. And what a lame kick that was. Barely even lifted his leg. See, this is how it's supposed to be done. What is that bird hanging onto a tree? Why is it doing like that? It's a woodpecker. Oh, it fell off the tree. Oh my god, this is exactly how it feels like working on Mondays. Bird steals camera. Wow, the seagull just stole their GoPro. But why would it need the camera for? To start his own YouTube channel. Wow, the aerial footage really looks impressive. This bird is a good cameraman. So here's the culprit. Foolishly showed its face. What's it doing? Trying to break it open. Hey, that's not a nut, you animal. That's a $400 camera. Why are these two fighting? Oh my god. Sounds like the dog has had enough. Oh no. Wow, a cobra kick. This must be Jackie Chan's dog. And where's the cat? Okay, I think I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching guys and please subscribe.